Hello, 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 hello. Who is here? Can you guys hear me? New song alert, guys. New song alert. New song alert, guys. New song alert. Who is here? I just came early today just to tell you that there is a powerful song which you must check out. Hi, Blessing, my Nyasha. Cloud, how are you? How are you, Cloud? Thank you. Anzina bless, Anzina my bless, Anzina blessing my Nyasha, Anzi Murukunjika Munoashi. Guys, nangoti ndiwe ndikudzei kuti pane zvinonaka zvandaisa paYouTube. Pane zvinotapira zvandaisa paYouTube. Pane zvinonaka zvandaisa paYouTube. And Zama is back. Cloud. Manya imwende paYouTube. Mozoti hey, anautiudza. Hey, man. T, how are you? I've got something new for you on my YouTube channel. Take sure Zaman Mube. Anzi Magunans. Eka, Magunans. Some people already there. I'm shocked. Some people already are there. The Worship Addict. Who is this one? Worship Addict is number 7. Is that your real name? Hi, Natalie. Rachel, I haven't seen you in a while. Where are you, though? I've got something beautiful. Please go and check on YouTube. Majita, how are you? Please go and check on my YouTube. There is something special. No, someone said, is it the one with Joseph Kurupira? No, it's not the one. It's not the one. Go and check for Ndimi Munondochengeta. Ndimi Munondochengeta. It's not the one. It's not the same song. It's a totally different song, guys. It's not the same song. It's a song which what's his name? Tatenda yesterday posted a short clip on his Insta, and people were like, where is this song? Where is this song? We want this song like today. So I had to make a plan just to release it. You will love it. You will love it. You will enjoy it, guys. You will really, 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 really enjoy it. Innocent, how are you? Maud. God bless you, Maud. Anzaiwa Magunans. Anzi Biritung. Tendekai, if you listen to it already, it's not Wangawachi Ambuka Gunga. It's a different one. Gunanzi Guano. The Worship Addict says, I want to sing with you. Yes, that's the one. Taiwana Baba is so great. Please go and check out that song. You will enjoy it. You will love it. You will love it. You will. But now you need big speakers. You need big speakers, or at least earphones, for you to really enjoy it. Hi, Polite. Polite Powers. How are you doing? And take him not gonera. Dio magunanzere. Dio chayo. Listen to it. You're gonna love it. And guys, please tell others. Please share. I'll put up the link as well on the comments section. If you can share the song with others, that would be good. I don't want anyone coming on the 14th of August and they don't know the songs. the new songs. Hey, my brother Mangeliso, how are you, man? You know what I did for you, Mangaliso? This time I uploaded the song with translation, with a bit of translation. It's not as perfect, but I tried. I put up some English translation for you. Eric, how are you? Eric says, I can't wait, Minister. Just go and listen to it, Eric. It's already uploaded on YouTube. Just check Ndimi Munondochengeta. Ndimi Munondochengeta. Just check it on YouTube. You will love it. Hello. New song alert. Munotuma makunguo kwete vatumwa. Vatumwa ndo vanochengeta. Makunguo ndo anouya nebiltong. God sends the ravens to bring you some biltong, some meat. God bless you, Consider. Sandra, how are you? God bless you. And the upper gospel music, Mopedza Yenyu, my favorite gospel. That's so sweet. That's so kind. Thank you for the kind words. Wusi, how are you doing? God bless you, Wusi Mpofu. Rumbi, how are you? God bless you, Rumbi. I'm gonna put the link, guys, on the comment section so that you can go and check the new song. So I'll come back at 8:30, I think, for our live session. Yeah. But here I just had to tell you that the song is ready, is on YouTube, and I trust that you will tell others to tell others. Candiero, how are you? Dumelo, God bless you. You're watching from Botswana. Dumelang, Likai. Lauren, how are you? Can't wait to listen to it while cooking. Please go and listen to it. You will enjoy it. Edson, that means you're already listening to it. Nolan, God bless you. I hope you are listening to it and you're enjoying it. Vero, how are you? How is Scotland? I should be coming to Scotland. I think it's on the 3rd of October. Yeah. October. Please don't miss that worship session, worship lounge. You see, Chipo, you August babies, you are blessed. But this time you are spoiled for choice because I'm going to release a lot of tracks. Be on the lookout. Be on the lookout. You will find something that you love. Abuda Magunans ne Biltong Atobuda. Badwell Atobuda Magunans. Just go on YouTube and go and check for a song in Onzi. Ndimi Munondochengeta. Manuel Victor, how are you? Honest, how are you? My brother, how are you? When are you going to come here in Durban? Honest, I was in Durban recently. When was I in Durban? I think I was in Durban maybe a month ago. I don't remember, but yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it, guys. I hope you love it. See you later. God bless you. Portia, Vero, God bless you. Or Rodney Mark Music, watching from Chipinge. How is Chipinge? I've never been to Chipinge, man. One of these days I'll come to Chipinge. I hope so. Biritong, Minister, this was powerful. Thank you for this. I hope you enjoy it, guys. And please share with others. Please share the song with others. Share the song with others. I gotta go. God bless you.